Hi guys, so I just got ready because that's normally what I do before my boyfriend gets home from work. I just get ready and I put my little workout gear, or I already have it on because I went to the gym in the morning. So yeah, I'm just going with the flow, but I have something. Guess what this is? You will not guess, and it just came in today. It's the PS5. I'm gonna surprise him with it, but then I'm gonna prank him and tell him it's fake. So he should be home anytime now. He's literally gonna not expect it because he knows that I don't really know anything about technology, and you need like bots or something to buy them. So I had my cousin help me out, and yeah, he's just gonna be like, it's just gonna be the most unexpected thing ever to him. So I'm really excited. I'm just waiting for him to get home now. I'm like thinking of somewhere to put the camera. Well, I mean, that's not really an issue because I leave it everywhere all the time. So even if I just have it sitting somewhere so random, he's just gonna like pay it no mind. I'm probably gonna put it right here. I've been wanting to buy like a good amount of clothes for some time now, but I just can't bring myself to do it. So he's probably gonna be like, oh, that's probably like clothes or something. So he's really not gonna expect this one. He's gonna be like, how did you even get it? Because he's really good with technology and all of that stuff. And yeah, he's gonna be like, how did you even get it? This is like impossible. He's probably even gonna think it's fake, like a fake box. Because my brother got it, he's probably gonna be like, this is your brother's or something. Like, he's really not gonna expect it. So I'm super excited. I think he's almost here. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Sorry.
Oh no! Oh no! Hi! What's up, little rats? What's up, little rats? Baby? Oh!
What's up? How's work?
Good. What do you have on your lips?
My lip gloss, I'm sorry.
Cookie! Watch out, bud. Watch out. What is this? Clothes coming?
Yeah. Do you want to see?
Open it up. You got a knife?
No, it's hard. Help me.
Get one of my razor, one of my pocket knives or something. There's one in the drawer over there. Hey, what are you doing, young man? What kind of trouble you guys brew up today?
Careful.
Razor blade. Christ, this thing's fucking heavy. How much shit did you buy?
Splurge. They had that sale, remember?
What, Black Friday one?
Yeah.
It's kind of late, isn't it?
A little bit, I think.
Sit down.
I think they're shipped from Europe or something.
Here.
In the box.
Yo.
What?
No way.
This is the one you've been wanting, right? Is it the 4 or 5?
Where did you... With the bezel? This is the exact motherfucker I wanted!
Charlie!
Where did you get this?
From the store.
No, you didn't. They don't sell these at the store. That ain't possible. Hey, no, I need that paper now. My packing list. Alright, let's go to, where are we going? To Jared's? Zales? I think this is an engagement party right here. This is, here, take this. Oh, man. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. What? Come on, stop playing. Is this, where the fuck is it? Is Ashton Kutcher about to pop out from behind the fucking couch? Am I being punked or some shit? Alright, come on out, Ashton Kutcher. Where the fuck are you? What? Babe.
Is it the one you wanted?
This is the one. This is the console that. Now, good thing you didn't get the digital one. I know you don't know any different, but this one takes discs.
Digital.
Yeah, there's a digital one that you can only play downloads with.
Oh, okay.
I don't even want to open it. Take it back. I literally don't even want to touch it.
Open it.
No, I don't want to open it. No, I'm not opening it. I'm just gonna let it sit around here for a little bit.
Good.
And,
I have something to tell you.
What?
So I got you this PS5, right?
Yeah.
But it's my brother's.
Well, I ain't taking your ass to Jared's no more, that's for sure. Come on. Why would he send this shit here?
Are you sad, baby? I'm so sorry. Are you sad?
You're petty as hell for that.
Are you sad?
Why would you do that? Get off me.
I'm so sorry, baby. I'm so sorry.
Whose fucking funny idea of prank was that? How did he get that?
He just got it.
You don't just get it right now. These things are impossible to get right now. They don't sell them fucking anywhere. So, did he pre-order it or something?
I don't know.
Well, that's cool. Come here, Coopy.
I'm sorry. I'm kidding. It's yours, Iggy. I'm kidding. It's yours. I'm kidding. I forgot. I'm kidding. Look, for real. It's yours. Open it. Open it.
You're gonna piss me off.
Look.
No, stop! Don't open it. Do not open it.
You don't want to open
If this really is mine.
Okay, so I'm wrapping it under the Christmas tree, and you're not playing till after
No,
Christmas.
we're not doing that. Can I just admire it for a little bit? Please, is it actually mine?
Yes, I swear.
So why are you fucking with me like that?
I just wanted to see your reaction.
Do you mean the games?
The games?
What do you think? It's just gonna play itself?
No, I didn't get you any games. I don't know what kind of games you like or what.
Honestly,
FIFA 200 or something? FIFA?
I'm serious. How did you get this? Who did you suck off for this? This is... You don't even know what you're talking about. Where'd you buy
Also, it
this?
helped me
Oh, I bet.
with his little bots.
Bot ass. Is this really mine? Stop playing with me.
Yes, I swear. You look so cute.
You're getting your, what did you say you wanted? Some hoop earrings? Go ahead and buy.
No, we're going to Jared, like you said.
No, Jared's ain't happening no more.
Why?
Because I was gonna take you to Jared's and then you played that game with me.
Yes,
that prank.
but it's yours.
Well,
real.
it didn't feel the same anymore. I'm sure it'll come back to me. But as far as right now, no Jared's.
Okay, what about Fashion Nova shopping spree? What about that?
Whose money did you pay with this? My money?
No, I paid it with my money.
No wonder I didn't see it on any of my statements.
Well, so that's your Christmas present.
but
Enjoy it
I'm
because
not
you're
waiting
not.
for Christmas. Though.
Enjoy it. You're not getting anything else. You're not getting anything under the Christmas tree.
It's alright. I got Charlie under the Christmas tree.
And guess what?
Yeah, I got Charlie.
Guess what?
What?
I got it all on camera. You didn't even notice the camera there. You probably would have known.
Honestly, you're on a roll today, honey.
Look at his tummy. You little Charlie, you little tummy.
Turn that off. I'm trying to chill.
So there you go. Prank successful. 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 Are you happy about your new PS5, baby? You're such a hard-working man. I believe you deserve every penny of it.
Well, check it out. I don't even want to open it. I think you should take it back.
Why? It's hard to get this thing. I heard it's like super hard to get it.
You know, I'm sure there's a little kid somewhere that's way more deserving.
Aw, you're right. Let's go donate it.
I don't know about donating that bitch. But maybe get your money back. I'm just kidding. I'm about to open that bitch up tonight.
Worst part is that he's probably gonna play with it for not even a month, and then it's gonna just build up dust. Hey! It's never gonna be touched again.
Now don't you start that with me, all right? I'm sure all your little brothers are gonna be over here playing it every chance they get. There ain't gonna be no dust buildup on it.
They sure will. All right.
Thanks, hon. I don't appreciate the YouTubing or pranking bullshit aspect of it, though.
I bet Cooper does.
I'm sure he doesn't appreciate it either. He's real sentimental.
So it is the next day, and can you guys believe the nerve that this man has? He gets off of work, he goes and gets his little grooming done, he gets a haircut, he does his beard and stuff, doesn't even say, I'm like literally in the bedroom editing a video, and I hear him just chilling in here, doesn't even come and say hi.
Hi.
How do you like your... Oh, by the way, look, I wanted to show you guys my little garland, right? I'm trying not to confuse it with the one that goes on the door. That's a wreath. Okay. So yeah, my little garland. This is like the only Christmassy decor that I have in this house beside our tree. I just failed at it this year, to be honest, and I'm really sad about it because I really wanted to go all out, so I'm probably gonna do that next year. But yeah, this little garland, isn't it so cute? And yeah, just wanted to show you guys. Look at his PlayStation. He has it all set up there, and I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know how I feel about it being in the living room, because that means he's gonna be playing all the time. As soon as he gets home, just like he did today, he's just gonna sit down and play. What about our quality time? Doesn't even care to like pay me any minds. Best girlfriend ever award. Are you happy with your PlayStation?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are we going to Jared's?
I'm not taking you to Jared's anymore.
But I'll take you to, look, what's cheaper than K Jewelers? Is that cheaper?
I don't want to go to K Jewelers. I want to go. I want a Tiffany and Company.
Yeah, I don't know about all that.
All jokes. Like I said, it's just gonna pile up dust. My hair is like freshly washed. It just gets really frizzy because I don't really do anything to it. I just put this spray on it to detangle, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned because I do have a few videos coming up very soon. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.